subscribe to GoodHomes and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Jo Moody, the floral designer for La Fleur. Today I'm here to show you how to make fantastic bouquets for two very different events in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. To create a country-style hand-tied arrangement, I am going to use pale blue delphiniums, a variety of different coloured roses, including peach avalanche, sweet avalanche, and beautiful white avalanche roses, GYPSOPHILA, lisianthus, white orchids to give texture, peach spray carnations, some eucalyptus, decorative twigs for height, and limonium to fill. All of the above flowers are grown in India. The best growing season is from September through to March, when the weather is at its most ideal. Once the flowers are cut and arranged, they survive best in a moderate environment, cool but not overly cold. It's really very important to keep flowers out of direct sunlight and heat. Once the flowers are cut and arranged, place in a vase that's the right height for your arrangement. To create a beautiful tabletop arrangement, I am going to consider the vases that the flowers are going to be placed in overall. Therefore, I am going to use peach avalanche roses and sweet avalanche roses, which reflect the vase. Some GYPSOPHILA will add some fill, PENNISETUM purple majestic grass for texture, and decorative twigs to add interest. All of the above flowers are grown in India, and the best growing season is from September through to March, when the weather is at its most ideal. Once the flowers are cut and arranged, they survive best in a moderate environment, cool but not overly cold. It's really important to keep the flowers out of direct sunlight and heat.